Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I will be doing a short video on how to make tarako onigiri. Here are the ingredients you will need. 400 grams of cooked Japanese short grain rice, 2 tablespoons of tarako, 2 nori sheets, a pinch of salt. Fill a small bowl halfway with rice and create a small dent in the center. Add the tarako. Fill the rest of the bowl with more rice. Wet both hands and add a little salt to your palm. Place the rice on your palm and gently press the shape into a triangle by gradually forming each corner. Rub the rice with nori, ensuring the shiny side faces outward. I hope you enjoy making this tarako onigiri at home. And if you want to deepen your knowledge of making onigiri, check out my new online course, Onigiri Made Easy, Quick Guide to Japanese Rice Bowls. This course is designed for both newcomers to onigiri and onigiri enthusiasts like you. This course covers everything, from cooking perfect rice to exploring various fillings, shaping techniques, storing tips, and more. With 13 user-friendly video lessons and printable PDFs, you will be effortlessly creating authentic onigiri in your kitchen. Get ready to dive into the world of onigiri with this comprehensive course. Learn more at shop.chefjcooks.com. See you inside the course.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.